Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you in the fourth lesson of class 4. Hope you all are doing well. Okay, before starting today's lesson, I would like to have a recap of the previous lesson, that what we have done before. In the previous lesson, we were on the grammar page and we were about to write the capital letters and where to put the full stops. We did this exercise on rough registers. Now the exercise B is the almost same, but you have to underline the words where they are supposed to be capital. Where we need to put the capital letter, you just have to underline those words. And for your practice, even you can rewrite these sentences in your rough registers. So let's read them out. Underline any words that are missing a capital letter. Here you just have to underline the words where we are supposed to put the capital letter. The full stops are already there. We just have to underline the words which are supposed to be with capital letter. Let's read the sentences. My mother's favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. So students, we all know that the sentence always starts with the capital letter. So here we will write the capital letter. So of course all the first words you will underline, because all they have started with a small letter, but we will start it with capital letter. My, M will be capital, W will be capital, here T will be capital, on, O will be capital, Allama, A will be capital, don't, D will be capital, I, this I will be capital, and again I, this I will also be capital. Here Tom and Jerry, because these are the names, so you will write them with a capital letter. Because we have read in the previous, in the start, in the introduction, that we always write names and surnames with capital letters. So Tom and Jerry are names, you have to write them with capital letter. Then again Michael Jackson. This is a name of a person, so we are supposed to write it with a capital letter. June is the month of the year, so we will start it with capital letter. We read a book about Michael Jackson last June. So you will underline W, M, J, and here June, J again. In the third sentence, there is a cake sale in the hall next Monday. So Monday is a day of the week, so we will write it with capital letter. You will underline this. On Saturday, we always go shopping in Dubai. So on, I already told you, the sentence will start with capital letter. Then Dubai, this is the name of a place, so you will write it with capital letter, underline it. Remember students, you will do all these exercises with your pencil, not with a pen. Allama Iqbal, this is the name of a person, so you will write it with capital letter. Allama, A will be capital, Iqbal, I will be capital. Was a famous Pakistani poet. Pakistani, P will be capital, poet, P will be capital. Don't go there on Saturday because it's very busy. Don't, start of the sentence, D will be capital, Saturday, S will be capital, because this is a day of the week, it's very busy. So underline them. I go to swimming club every Tuesday night. I, start of the sentence, I will be capital, so underline it. Tuesday, this is a day of the week, so T will be capital, underline it. I watch my favorite program on Friday evening. I, underline it, it will be capital, Friday. This is a day of the week, this is supposed to be capital, so underline it. So hope students you are clear about this exercise. You just have to underline the words which are supposed to be capital, but for your practice you can even rewrite them in your rough registers. Let's move to the next exercise, that is put tick where a capital letter is correct, put cross when you see a missing capital letter. Students, you have to read these sentences if they are correct. So you will put tick in front of it. But if they are not correct, you will put cross. I love to go skiing in January. January is a month of the year, so it is supposed to be with capital letter. But here it is written with small letter. So it means that this sentence is not correct. So you will put cross here. Second sentence is, please don't forget about Anne's party next Thursday. So here is a name. This is starting with capital letter. Anne is a name of a person. Thursday is a day of the week. This is starting with a capital letter. It means that whole sentence is correct. So put a tick in front of it. Then there is no school during month of June and July. Students, you can see months of June and July. This is correct because this is started with capital letter, but June, they have written it with small letter. It means that this sentence is not correct. You will put cross in front of it. Number 4 is, I visit my relatives in London twice a year. London is a name of a place. They've started it with capital letter. It means that there is no any other word starting with capital letter. This is the only word and this is correct. So it means you will put tick in front of it. I go to training on a Saturday morning. Saturday is a day of the week. So this is started with capital letter. It means that correct. There is no any other word which is supposed to be with capital letter. So it means this sentence is correct. I went on holiday to Paris in France last year. France. France is a name of a place. This is started with capital letter, but Paris is also a name of a place, so it should also be with capital letter. But this is with small letter. It means that this sentence is not correct. This is cross. Katie and Miriam were asked to the party, but I wasn't. These two are the names of the people, so they have written it with capital letter. This is correct. And there is no any other word which is supposed to be with capital letter. So it means this sentence is correct. I wish I could go to the cinema with Patrick. I wish I could go to the cinema with Patrick. Sentence should start with capital letter, but they have written it with small letter. This should be capital letter, but this is small letter. So it means this sentence is not correct. So hope students, you people are clear about these exercises. You should practice it again and again with your rough registers, in your rough registers, so that you must be clear about it. Okay, so inshallah in the next video, we will do the word study page. So you should practice it. Thank you students. Have a good time.